No, 150 is not an AB. That's because I was wrong. There are only 4 ABs. That's right, there's not 5. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So K, this one here starts with our regular colors. Hey friends, Ryan here with Ryan's Candles and Crafts, and welcome to an unboxing video of Wonder Woman 1984. So when we look at this one and we think Wonder Woman 1984, there was the movie that came out, and I don't know, it just, Wonder Woman herself is a very powerful comic book character. She has a lot riding on her on a continuous basis. So I am very happy to go ahead and take a look at this canvas. And I also want to throw out there that, you know, as we get into this canvas and start doing it, I will be looking at probably the origin of Wonder Woman, the origin of how Wonder Woman came to be. We'll look at the history, the movies, Linda Carter days. There's a lot of different things that we can unpack when it comes to Wonder Woman. So I'm going to be really curious to kind of dive into the history of Wonder Woman and see what we can do with this painting. But before that, we need to actually take a look and see what we've got going on with this. So with this one, it is 20 inches by 30 inches, or 51 centimeters by 76 centimeters. And it's a pretty basic one. It's 67 colors with 4 ABs with a total of 60,501 diamonds in it. So I think it'll be real curious to see what this canvas looks like. By the picture, it looks like the colors are really kind of grouped together. So we'll see what the drills entail, but I really love the color palette on this one and just how rainbow color it is, and just kind of, I don't know, it's just, I think it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. I really do. All right, here we have Wonder Woman 1984. Now, this box is so pretty. It is absolutely unbelievable. But let's go ahead and get this opened up, and we will take a look to see what we have going on inside. All right, so here we go. Here's all of our stuff. We have our toolkit here, which comes with a pen, a tray, some wax, and some little baggies for some leftovers if you want to use those, which I don't. I usually get rid of them, but to each their own. But then here you go. That's what you've got. It comes with every single Diamond Art kit. It's actually kind of nice to be able to kind of save the trays up as you go along, as you buy in more and more kits so that you can use these to kit up later on. Then we have our thank you for your purchase. So in here, you will typically find a treasure quest card. However, oh no, we do have one. Look at that. All right, so we have a lovely Wonder Woman 1984 card. And this doesn't say that it's a bronze card, so I want to say that this might be a gold card, actually. And if it is, that's fantastic. That is brilliant. But look at that shimmer that's on there. This is really cool. I really like that. And then in here we have our sticker sheet. So we have Diamond Art Club there. On the back, we have a sticker of Wonder Woman. We have our start date and end date. And then it also gives you the amount of colors and how big it is and everything down here. And then inside, as always, we have our color palette and all of our stickers for our colors. Now, this is only 67 colors, so we're only going all the way down to here. Now, this is actually before they started putting AB onto the front of their colors. So with this one, the ABs are actually going to be over here. So our 105, 124, 129, 141, and 150, those are going to be all of our ABs. Because when it comes to the DMC colors, they start, I think, around 151 or something like that, I believe. Now, I could be totally wrong on this, too, because we haven't taken a look at the drills yet. But we'll take a look at the drills, too, once we get in there, and we'll kind of cross-compare to this. Because like I said, typically the ABs will be here at the end, but this kit was before all of that happened. But still, a really good color palette. There's some really nice greens in here, some reds, purples, all of that. So this is going to be a lot of fun. Let's go ahead and take a look at the canvas itself. All right, so here we are with the canvas. Thankfully, with this one being a little bit smaller, it pretty much fits mostly in my workspace that I have here. But you can see how there's a lot of black in this. There's all of this in here, all of that in there. There's a lot in here. There's a lot of 310 in here. That's not going to be very fun. But looking at this overall, though, this is going to go pretty quickly, I think. When we're looking at some of our colors that we have, if we go based off of, so we have our color chart over here. If we go based off of the 1, 2, 3, 4, and K that are in here, we have 3s that are in here. I've got 2s that are up here. 1s are yellows, so it's probably going to end up being down towards the bottom a little bit. But what's interesting is that the way this actually looks on camera, the colors that look on camera is completely different than what it looks like to me, at least anyway. But I love how the rainbow colors are just coming all the way around this. Go ahead and bring this up a little bit here. We can kind of see the bottom of this here. And then you've got the bottom here of Wonder Woman and how all of her legs are here with the belt, the greens, the yellows. This is all really, really nice. And then I've got some more. So the 3s and 4s are over here. So more than likely we'll have some ABs down here. We'll have some ABs over here as well. Like I said, 104, 124, 129, 141, that's what we're going to be on the lookout for when we look at the drills themselves. But overall, it looks like a fairly easy canvas. We have the perforated lines that are on here to be able to do these small sections. This section in itself, if you can see it there, this is practically all white. And actually, it's practically all 141, which is going to be probably going to be ABs. And if it is, that's going to be a nice little challenge to be able to get all those put down. With that being said, though, the colors going all the way around this thing are actually going to be fairly easy to get this one done. I think it should go pretty quick. But let's go ahead and take a look at the drills and see what we've got going on with those. Okay, so like I had mentioned with the palette of this, if we look at the way this looks, it's just very colorful. There are colors all over the place with this one. And as I said, there's a lot of 310 in this one. There's a lot of blacks. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of 310. So a lot of black. But that's going to make for a very quick, easy canvas for us to be able to get through. So here's 815. Here is 150. And if I look at this, I believe... No, 150 is not an AB. That's because I was wrong. There are only 4 ABs. That's right, there's not 5. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So K, this one here starts with our regular colors. So then we've got 939, as you all know. This is one of my favorite colors here. If you've watched my other videos, I love the 939 color and how deep that blue is. It's got a hint of purple in it too, and I love purple. There's 796, a nice bright blue. Here is definitely an AB. So this 141. So this is an AB for sure. Look at that, and look how much of that it is too. There's a lot there. I love it though. So then 797, 3371, it's like a black brown, 798, gorgeous, gorgeous colors, 783, 814, 327, 823, ooh, 3819, look at that one. See, some of these just really catch my eye, and I'm like, oh, that is nice. I don't know, let me know what you think of that color. That is actually really pretty. Really like that. And then 434. Okay, here's another actually really favorite color of mine, 890, which of course you can see there's a little blue that popped in there. But 890 is a gorgeous, gorgeous green, forest green color. Really like that. 413, we've got some grays in here, 3799, 743. We're really looking out for those ABs. 938, look at that. 3837, that is a gorgeous purple. Oh, I love that. That is nice. 728, that's actually a really pretty yellow. It's 5200, which we've seen a lot of that before. 991, gorgeous green teal color. Love that. 915, even that one. Wow. The color palette in this is really nice. It is. With all of the varieties of colors that are in here, they're just very rich. It is a very rich color palette that we have in here. There's 778, 898, 754, 433. I have a feeling that the rest of our ABs, aside from that one, is actually going to be a pretty low amount. So the rest of this is all one big chain here. So we've got 435, 317, nice little gray color. Cute, teal, like that. That's a turquoise, actually, more of a turquoise, not a teal. 820, beautiful blue. 208. Okay, 415, 718. Oh, 321. Love that red. 762. 3607. That green, that 905. Ooh, look at that. I need to find a canvas. If you know of a canvas that has a lot of 905 in it, please put it in the comment section down below. That is wonderful. Let's see, 414, 3731, 956, 602. There we go. Here's the rest of our ABs. So here's a 124. Ooh, that is a pretty pink. That is pretty. Yes, okay. 3733. There we go. Ooh, okay. All right, that's different. That is a very different AB. 105. Huh. Let me know what you think of that one down below. I'm not sure how I feel about that one. It's like a mustard yellow, but it's an AB. Huh. Okay. 3811 and then 3755. So there we go. A very, very bright and colorful palette here when it comes to the diamonds on this painting. Let me know which one in the comments down below is your favorite color on this. And there you have it, everyone. There's the unboxing for Wonder Woman 1984. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and do so and hit the notification bell to get notified on when we upload videos. Thank you all so much for your support and subscribing to the channel with your likes, your views, and all of that kind of stuff. It really does help the channel. Thank you so much for your support. When it comes to Wonder Woman 1984, it's going to be a little bit before we can actually get it taken care of because I've got a lot of research that I need to do with this, but I've got some time to go ahead and get that taken care of. So sit back, relax, watch some of the other videos that we have here on the channel. Stay tuned for more stories that are going to be coming out. And until next time, light a candle, pour a coffee, and let's keep crafting.